everyone! What an interesting way to start a vlog, especially after not talking for so long to you. I'm currently dyeing my hair, as I do all the time, cut and dye, and this vlog is kind of a sad one, a little emotional, and I can't believe it's already been a year of living in this apartment. I'm moving. I know. I'm moving out of my dream space. You know, it's not that sad. I knew this was gonna happen. So today and this weekend, we are going to be unmaking over my apartment. I'm very excited about it. I'm actually like looking forward to it, which is a little strange. I already sold a mirror on Facebook Marketplace. This mirror sadly has to go. I think I need to go like get ready. I need to take this dye out of my hair. But next time I'll see you, I'll be a little bit more ready. Okay, I'm back. I don't think my hair looks any darker. Honestly, it looks lighter in this viewfinder, but we're gonna ignore that. I think it's a little bit darker. I got a new tattoo. It's a hanger. I love it. I now have 6 tattoos. We're gonna start by going downstairs and clearing off the bookshelf that I made because someone is coming to pick that up later today. So let's go do that, and then I'm gonna start with the studio. How weird is it to see this? Just like, it's not that weird because there's still stuff on here. But my chairs are all over the place because I'm selling those on Facebook Marketplace. I'm selling all my chairs. I'm keeping my dining room table, obviously, because I made that. Haven't decided what to do with the couches. It's so weird. I'm like moving into a bedroom at my next place. That's just gonna be temporary, and then when I move back to New York, have not announced that yet. I'm moving back to New York in like May or June. Then I'll have a living room again, but it will probably be tiny and I won't be able to fit any of these couches. So it's time to sell. So let's clear this baby off. I'm also gonna clean it. I don't wanna be that person to gift a dusty bookshelf. Okay, so here in the studio, I'm just gonna start with taking down the backdrop, rolling up the rugs, doing a few things. I sold the mirror. So that girl's coming to pick that up on Sunday. Today is Friday. This room is pretty simple, and that's why I wanted to start here, except for the closet. And the closet's not getting done today because that is a mess.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo. Stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal.
I've recently been drinking greens because I feel like I'm not getting enough greens, and I do it in orange juice, stir it up, and then I put seltzer in it. So good. So this morning, Lauren and I are going to start off our morning with a little yoga, and then we are going to get to packing and get going into it. We're going to repot all the propagated plants that I've been doing for the past few months. So I'm excited to pot those, and then we're just gonna start packing. We get to go over to the apartment today to do some measurements. So I'll show the apartment or show my room when we do that at 4 o'clock today. But for the whole day, we're just gonna be like boxing things up, like all my decor. I'm excited. I love doing these types of things. I don't like actually physically moving it, but packing's gonna be good. Listen to some good music. But let's start off the morning with a little bit of yoga, green juice, a coffee, and get in the headspace for a productive day. It's Monday and I have the day off from work because it's President's Day. So that's also got me in a good mood. like positive like a series. Yeah.
I've been blessed since the day you crossed my path. I didn't know that so long.
See? So far.
Have my back.
Sponsored by Lauren. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see behind me, I've got a lot of boxes, a lot of trinkets, and it's time to pack stuff up because we stopped over last night to take some measurements at the new place, and we can start bringing stuff over whenever. We kind of have a week to slowly bring stuff, and then over the weekend we'll do the big move. I am packaging all of my stuff up. I'm gonna bring some rugs today. I'm going to bring some knickknacks, probably that little bookshelf thing, stuff that I can carry on my own. Lauren and I are both gonna do that. Let's package up these knickknacks. I already started, and I'm using socks. Here's a little packing life hack. I'm just putting, this is leg warmers, but putting all my fragile stuff in socks and putting it in the box because I don't have bubble wrap or that much of it, and that's just a waste of plastic. The socks are gonna have to make their way over there. I'll wash them when I unpack everything, and it's good for the planet. You don't have to buy anything extra. It's all gonna make it there at one point, so you might as well utilize your clothes to help.
There's no job too big, too tall or task. You just have to ask. You just have to. You just have to. You just have to ask. I'll stay with you while the spring storms pass.
So we were able to bring over a load of stuff yesterday, which was very helpful, and we're gonna do the same thing today. So I need to figure out what I'm going to bring over. I'm just slowly bringing over the small items so that this weekend when we move the big items, it won't feel as overwhelming. So I'm thinking clothes, maybe some mirrors. I'm going to take down my wallpaper in my bathroom. So let's go do that. Wish me luck. Hopefully the paint doesn't come off. And yeah, let's get packing.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of.
This is a
and
sad
I can't
day.
stop it, I'm
What's
wishing
up
you
here?
and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try.
My bathroom feels so empty. I still have to take my shelf down, but it has like a bunch of products that I use every day. So I'm gonna wait to take that down. I'm gonna pack some clothes because I decided I'm gonna bring some clothes over today. Got a lot of them, so I might as well start somewhere. So I'm gonna pack up two suitcases, my away and my other away. And then I'll bring some clothes on hangers.
But talking to you is all I wanted. I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over sent, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much. I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush. I don't know what's the best way to start, cause if I'm not careful I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last. So I'll start off slow with something really simple like, hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples with that. So dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleepy, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna sound creepy, but most of the time I fall in.
I'm exhausted. Trip number, I don't know how many. Also, I have self-tanner on, so ignore that. It's also freezing out.
Take a chance and send you a message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more. But I can't find the words to say. Never been good at talking. I wish there was an easy way to go down this road I'm walking. I don't think I'll ever be close to a girl I only know through a close. So maybe I should just give up this time. But
Good morning, everyone. It is move-in day, and I just stripped the bed, and it's time to move the rest of my things over, like my big things. So I'm actually gonna start another vlog of actual moving day and getting situated in the new place. So we're gonna end this vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe down below. If you want to see the actual move and how I decorate my new place, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.